Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Tili box by QVC and it's the Try It, Like It box, and this month they have collabed with It's All Chic to Me. They do collabs every month now for their beauty box, and I have to admit it's generally people I don't know. The QVC beauty box is a monthly box that is $25 on QVC. You do not pay shipping and handling. You can just go in and sign up for it on the QVC site, just like every other box. They will send it monthly. You put it on auto delivery and you never have to think about it again. It just arrives monthly. And look how pretty. I love that they did a festive box for the season. They get extra credit points for that because it's a nice firm box that you could use. I'm going to do like I do every time I unbox the Tili now. And what I'll do is I'll put the price down here because they give us some sample sizes, some full sizes, but they don't tell us the prices. So I will go on and work out all the prices and let you know at the end what our value for this $25 box is. So when I open it up, as a rule, I'm opening it as we speak, they have tissue paper inside. Yes. And they just kind of crowd it around everything to protect it. And I have to admit, with the holiday season, I have been so busy that I haven't gone out there and done any cheating and to see what was going to be in my box. So there it is. And I just caught something out of the corner of my eye, and I am so excited if it's what I think it is, because I just went on and on about it in a different video. So let us reach right in and see what we have. First, I have Super Smile 6 Professional Whitening System. We actually got this just a couple of months ago. And it's just a little box. And what it is it's two little tubes. And I used it, but I didn't see any real improvement. I use a tooth whitener every day with my Sonicare though. But it's just two tiny little tubes. And you put a little pea-sized dot of each one. And they're about this full, just for the record. You put a tiny little pea-sized dot of each one on your toothbrush. And then you just brush your teeth together. So you use both of them. I guess one probably activates the other so they can't be in there together. But what this tells us is Super Smile Professional Whitening System includes professional whitening toothpaste with Calprox to help you whiten your teeth. It also includes Professional Whitening Accelerator to be used in conjunction with the toothpaste to maximize the whitening effect. Used together, they work to lift stains chemically rather than abrasively for whiter, brighter smile. So we have another little sample of this, and I will use it because, you know, as you get older, your teeth get less white, and I'm always fighting that. So reaching in next, ooh, we have a little foil packet. Moisture Surge. Oh, it's a little Clinique Moisture Surge. I have fuller sized samples of this downstairs. This tells us that it is the Auto Replenishing Hydrator, 72 hours. That begs so many questions, like, after you've washed your face, does it somehow continue to work? Is this someone who doesn't wash their face for 72 hours? I have questions. For a complexion you'll gush over, Clinique's Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator is a gel cream that helps hydrate your skin. It's great for all skin types. Well, that might be one use. Maybe. Next, I have a Soon Strawberry Lip Mask. Well, that's kind of fun. I do love lip masks. I like sheet masks, but I love lip masks and eye masks. Both of them, those are probably the driest parts of my face, right under my eyes and around my lips. Probably from all of the lipstick that I wear, you know, the mattifying lipsticks, but I love these. Our paperwork says, kiss those dry lips goodbye with Soon Skincare Strawberry Lip Mask with Collagen. Formulated to help hydrate lips and leave your lips feeling refreshed like a juicy strawberry. Well, I hope that is indeed true. Next we have Darn Girl. And that is what that looks like. And it is a trial size. And it is the Too Faced Darn Girl. And this says, this creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume. State-of-the-art polymers lift, lengthen, and lock in a smudge and flake proof resistant curl. I have to tell you, I will probably try this, but I used the Thrive mascara, the one that is actually the tubing kind. And when I started using it, I found it so annoying. I was like, this is so weird. And when you wash your face, you end up with the little black chunks that fall off. And it was, but I got good eyelashes with it. I have tiny, short, stubby, sparse eyelashes. And I got such good eyelashes from it. I finished it. You know, I won't use a mascara past 3 months. They say how important it is that you don't, so I don't. And I finished it just a few days ago. And I have taken the opportunity since I finished that to try a lot of the other things like this that I have been receiving in boxes. And I have to tell you, I am so anxious to go back to that Thrive. You use something and you get used to it and you forget how good it is. And since I have been using other mascaras, like I think today I'm trying the Betty Boop one that was in Ipsy. It doesn't matter because my eyelashes are nowhere near what they were when I was using the Thrive. So I know, stop and take a minute for a Thrive commercial. Kind of weird. Next I have Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Water. Well, isn't a December box an interesting time to get that? Although we are going to Disney in about a month. Self-Tanning Water with the color correcting actives and green base for a natural golden glow. And this is a, I would say definitely a full size 6.76 fluid ounces. I have this in a dropper in oil that you add to like your lotions and stuff, but I've never tried the spray. Our paperwork says, kiss dehydrated self-tan skin goodbye. Isle of Paradise self-tanning water mists onto the skin for a hydrating spritz and an all-over refreshing glow. I will add this to the pile of self-tanners that I continually order and buy and get in boxes because I am so pale and I always think I could self-tan and then I never do. Next, I have Kosh Beauty Vanilla Scented Volumizing Finishing Spray infused with hyaluronic. Interesting. And it is 2 ounces. That is what that looks like. I've never seen this product before on QVC or any other place. Let's see what it says. Kosh Beauty Volumizing Finishing Spray. This high-performance, strong-hold finishing spray helps create plump, voluminous looking locks and updos with more staying power. Well, that's interesting because I have an event tomorrow and I might put my hair up. Plus, it's quick drying. Add to complement blow-dry style while maintaining the form of the hair. Well, let's spray a little bit and see what it smells like. I might have had to tell there. I'm not sure. I don't smell vanilla. I could be way off base. I can't say what I'm thinking. I have to, right? Because now I've said that. It smells a little bit like curry to me. Let me get a piece of trash and spray it a little more. Here, I'll spray it into the box it came in. Oh, no, no, absolutely not. I will not use that on my, no. That is an unpleasant smell. They can call that vanilla. Girls, any of you out there who got this Tili box, let me know if you sprayed this and what you think it smells like and if you would use it. Next, I have, moving on. Next, I have and this is what I said tweaked my interest when I first opened the boxes. I just went on a whole rant about how much I love the Elemis Pro Collagen when I opened my Elemis Pro Collagen facial oil and my Boxy Lux. And this is the Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. And I have never tried this, so I am so excited to try this. It says it is anti-aging and it's half a fluid ounce. So it seems like a little tube, but half an ounce, I mean, 1 ounce is full size, I think, in some of the Elemis products. This is definitely at least a third of what a full size product is. This says, you're probably seeing it below right now. This says Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream is a night cream formulated with a blend of unique ingredients to help improve the appearance of skin. Well, that is a very non-specific statement, but I have always loved and had good luck with the Pro Collagen line in Elemis. The other line, oh, I shouldn't have even brought it up because I can't think of what it is now. The superfoods. The line with the superfoods in it tends to irritate my face, but the Pro Collagen, if you have sensitive skin out there, I've had no problem in the Pro Collagen line. And last but not least, oh my goodness, and way making this box worth it from a price perspective, especially for me, because I have actually talked about this in an empties before. It is the Bye Bye Pores Poreless Finish Airbrush Pressed Powder. I love this pressed powder. It's my favorite. I mean, I use it as a rule when I don't have other things that I'm trying. Like we got that Becca Hydrating that had that nice wet feel to it that I'm still finishing up. But before that, I probably went, I can't even tell you how many of these I've gone through, because it is just, it is absolutely what it says. They've put a cover on it. I'm going to leave it on it because I am finishing up. That Becca, I'm going to go ahead and leave this cover on it. But it's just a translucent powder. I usually just, when I'm done with my makeup, but before I use my whatever mist I'm using for the day, and it makes you poreless. I love it. And again, would highly recommend. So that's 2 highly recommends for me today. I love this Bye Bye Pores and the Elemis Pro Collagen line. So that is it for my Tili box. I tell you, up until the very last thing, I would have been on the fence about whether this was worth $25 for me personally. I'm sure it's got $25 worth of product in it, but this is going directly into the trash. I could not even send this to anybody guilt-free. It smells horrible. It just smells really bad. I mean, to the point where I'm going to go take this trash out before I make my next video. Saying it smelled like curry wasn't even fair, because I love the smell of curry. Although I wouldn't want my hair to smell like curry. You get my point. We have the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, the Bye Bye Pores, the Isle of Paradise Spray on Tan, the Soon Strawberry Lip Mask, I mean, it's not even got any thickness. It looks like they forgot to put something in it. The Clinique Moisture Surge, the Super Smile to whiten your teeth, and the Darn Girl Mascara. This was not my favorite Tili box this month. All boxes have months. And you know what? It just comes down to somebody probably drug this out of that box and said, woohoo! Just like I did with this. So it's just a matter of what strikes your fancy. As a rule, I more than get my money's worth. And like I said, I have told you guys the prices, and I'll let you know here what the value of the box is. But I'm sure this is more than the $25 that I paid, and this is a product that I buy. So definitely worth it. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you being here so much. So let me know below what you guys think of the Tili box. $25, free shipping and handling, and those products. I will see you soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I hope you're having a great holiday season. Bye, guys.